I was at a house today for a client that I sold him his house like 15 years ago, and his daughter is now like 17. And I thanked him when I was leaving. I said, hey, thank you so much for thinking of me. I really appreciate it. He goes, Katina, not a problem. You did a great job for us when we bought our first house. And he goes, and actually my daughter asked when you were coming over if you were the person who did the little ventriloquist trick. And I go, oh my gosh, I don't even remember doing that. It's something I did for my kids, and apparently I did it for them too. And just the fact that she remembers like 15 years later that I did this is kind of funny, but that totally made my night. I always love my job, but some days I like it just a little bit more. Have a great day.